Kung gusto mong mag-work from home as a virtual assistant pero pakiramdam mo lagi kang behind, lost, or late sa trend, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Hindi ka bobo, hindi ka kulang sa sipag, hindi ka rin nahuhuli. You're just being fed the wrong expectations. Let's reset everything that you think you know about being a VA because most videos that we see online will tell you learn the skill, enroll here, earn 6 digits. But here's the truth that they don't say. Virtual assistance is not about collecting skills. It's about being useful to a business clearly, simply, and reliably. Hindi mo alam kung ano talagang ginagawa ng VA? Ito talaga yung number one question na sinesearch ng mga aspiring VAs. What does a virtual assistant really do? And the common answer online would be admin tasks, social media, emails, research. Sounds big, no? But here's the real answer based on my 17 years of experience. And this is where a lot of people miss. A VA does one main thing. You reduce mental load for a business owner. That is it. Not fancy, not viral, but for me, it's powerful. If a business owner is overwhelmed, confused, or distracted, and you help remove that, you are valuable. No matter how complex or simple your tasks may be. Most beginners try to look skilled. Clients are actually looking for someone who is clear about what you can help with, what you cannot help with, how you communicate, and how you follow instructions. That's why some average skilled VAs get clients faster than the highly trained ones. Because clarity beats complexity. Para namang ang dami kong kailangang aralin. Let me stop you right there. You do not need to learn. Hindi mo kailangan pag-aralan lahat ng tools, lahat ng niche, lahat ng trends. That mindset keeps you stuck in research mode. I want you to know that clients don't hire potential, they hire readiness. And readiness does not mean expert. It means marunong ka sumunod sa instructions, marunong magtanong ng tama, marunong mag-update, marunong mag-finish ng task. And honest. They are looking for someone who will work honestly because that is very rare these days. I'm sure na nakikita nyo na yun sa social media. But this will help you keep your clients. Most aspiring VAs focus on being skill ready. Very, very few focus on being client ready. Skill ready asks, marunong ba ako? While client ready would say, can the client trust me with their time? There's a huge difference there. Another top beginner search. How do I become a VA with no experience? And here's an uncommon answer. Stop trying to prove experience and start proving thinking. Client care less about certificates, course names, long resumes, aesthetic resumes. They care more about how you approach tasks, how you solve small problems, how you communicate delays or confusions. I even had this client who hired me just because I was the only one who proactively sent her a calendar invite. Imagine, out of all the people that she interviewed for operations management role, I was the only one who did that. Experience can be simulated, judgment cannot be faked. So this is a simple mindset shift that you can apply starting today. Instead of asking, anong skill ang aaralin ko next? You might want to ask instead, what problem can I solve or help solve right now? Ask this instead, what problem, business problem, can I help solve right now? Admin problem, organization, follow-ups, systems, content problem, consistency, scheduling, repurposing, SEO problem, visibility, structure, search intent. VA work is not about you. It's about where the business is leaking energy. If this video made you realize na hindi ka pala lost, kulang ka lang sa tamang framework, then you're exactly who I create contents for. In the next chapters of our client-ready virtual assistant builder, I'll show you how to become client-ready how to build proof kahit no clients, how to stop preparing forever and start earning. And please remember that all of my contents is not about hype, it's about direction. And direction changes everything. Kung di mo naman sinasadya na napanood mo lang tong video na to out of nowhere and you are interested to join the Client Ready VA Builder group, free to. Libre. All you have to do is comment Client Ready para masenda namin sa'yo yung full guide sa kung paano nga ba makakapaghanda ng isang virtual assistant through free pero still structured na learning from someone who's able to sustain this business for 17 years. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. I'll see you sa next vlog. Bye!